Number 16 is the same as number 15, except for on 16 we are going to be using the calculator to find the 5-number summary. So we are going to press the Stat button to get to the Stat menu, and then select Edit, and we are going to enter in all of our data, and it doesn't need to be organized. So even if it's totally out of order, the calculator will be able to find the 5-number summary. Next, I want to quit out, and then I want to go back into the Stat menu, and this time go to the right to the Calc column, and I want to select 1var stats, so one variable statistics, and that will put 1var stats on the home screen, and then I want to press enter. If you have a different operating system on your calculator, at this stage you may have to go down to the bottom and still press calculate, but then it should take you to this screen. And then we want to scroll down, and then this is the 5-number summary. So I've recorded our values, and you'll notice that these are the same values that we got for question 15. So the only thing left that we have to do is find the IQR, and that's going to be 6.